Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable auto-renew on WhatsApp Business, follow these step-by-step instructions to manage your subscription settings and prevent automatic renewal charges. Step 1. Open your device's App Store, Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iOS. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the App Store. Step 3. Select Payments and Subscriptions on Android or Subscriptions on iOS. Step 4. Look for WhatsApp Business or any WhatsApp-related subscription in your active subscriptions list. Step 5. Tap on the WhatsApp subscription to view its details, including renewal date and payment information. Step 6. Find the option labeled Cancel Subscription or Turn Off Auto Renewal and tap on it. Step 7. The App Store will ask you to confirm your cancellation. Read the information about when your subscription will end and what features you'll lose access to. Step 8. Confirm the cancellation. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing period but won't automatically renew. Step 9. Check your email for a confirmation message from the App Store verifying that auto-renewal has been disabled. Step 10. Return to the subscriptions page to verify that the status now shows as expires on date instead of renews on date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.